The organic food market is booming, and here's why. Recently, I was very happy to learn from a study that despite the cost of living crisis, the UK organic market is actually booming. The organic food and drink market reached £3.7 billion, billion with a B, with over a decade of consecutive growth. The key trends are organic sales grew over 7% last year. Last year, when we were in a cost of living crisis, nearly 2/3 of consumers now buy organic, and strong growth in organic meat, eggs, fruit and veg. I wonder why that is. Do you think it's people are actually cottoning on to what is going into our food? Last year was the biggest growth in the last 20 years because people are increasingly concerned about ultra processed food, health, trust in the food system, environmental impact. But there is a problem in amongst all of that, because only around 3% of the UK farmland is organic, which means that demand is growing much faster than production. So therefore, much of the organic food that we buy is still imported. Now, if you're buying from a supermarket, you can see, generally speaking, on the label where that food's actually come from, where that produce has actually been imported from, because in the UK we still import around 63% of our food. 63%, so that's 2/3 nearly of our food is being imported. So one of the simplest and most powerful shifts that we can make is, if you're not growing your own, then buy directly from your local organic or regenerative farms, wherever that's possible for you. That's basically how new food systems quietly take root, step by step, person by person, community by community. Another way to gain access to Beyond Organic Food is to grow your own. We have a step-by-step veggie growing membership where we hold your hand every step of the way on your journey to food sovereignty. If you want to learn more, the link is in the description below. So I'm very curious, are you one of those 65% of people that buy organic food? Or let me know in the comments below which foods you do buy organic and which foods you may not buy organic. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a like and leave us a comment down below.